This is part one of my video of restoring this Black & Decker grinder. I think it's from the 60s or 70s. I don't think it's any older than that. It's a 5-inch grinder. The data plate is badly damaged. I'm going to be removing the handle here, which I've already used a impact driver to get these screws loosened up. And I think this applies to most older tools that you get that are made with aluminum cast bodies, like the old pistol grip type of drills. So this should apply to a lot of other electrical rebuilds that you would do if you were trying to save some old piece of equipment like this. This grinder was capable of being mounted to a pedestal, but here you see it's got like legs screwed to it. So I'm going to be checking the brushes. I've had this for 20 years probably, I never looked at it. So I'm going to look at the brushes, look at the commutator, go through the motor, and this is going to be like a multi-part series, I think, here. So this will be part one. I think the benefit to this is you can just take it and bolt it to a piece of wood, switch it on, and you get a grinder. The setback is, I went to look these up online, and these are like anywhere from $60 to $300 and some dollars, believe it or not, for one of these grinders. And I think I got this from a railroad salvage deal, where a guy had some railroad equipment. So I always thought this was a grinder that they used when they welded the track together, you know. It turns out these are popular just in industrial settings, period. So I'm missing the tubing that goes over the end of the cable to protect it from being damaged. And I'm missing this piece here. So we might try to recreate this piece so that I can clamp this in place and put the sleeve over the end of the cable. So, let's see what's inside the switch housing here. I can get this last screw out. Probably hasn't been off for 50 years. Luckily, the screws are coming right out. So let's see what we got here. Got an antique Bakelite switch housing. So I think on part two, we're just going to take it up from here. I'll probably have this switch undone, and we'll probably take this apart here and see if apparently the switch is stuck, which I never tried. So we're going to get in here, see if I can do something with the stuck switch. Thanks for watching this video.